Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play ambient music on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you want to play ambient music on your iPhone in iOS 18 like this, here you can see this, I am playing ambient music on my iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you want to use or play ambient music on your iPhone in iOS 18, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general section and then tap on software update and make sure that you're using the iOS 18.4 version or later. So guys, here you can see this, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now you have to simply drag down your control center, and from here press and hold the control center, and from here tap on add a control, and from here scroll it below and here you can see ambient music. So guys, here you can see this, you can add any one. I am adding this one, and now go back and again drag down your control center, and from here you can easily turn on or turn off ambient music from here. So guys, you can see this, you can play ambient music from here on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, now you can see this, it is playing on my iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also play ambient music on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.